Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios. I had a mishap with trying to juice lemons in a regular juicer. That resulted in me purchasing a citrus juicer. I'll tell you all about it. In this episode of my top 5 in 5 minutes, these are the reasons why I like my new purchase, which is Cuisinart's Citrus Squeeze Juicer. Reason number 1 why I like this electric juicer is because it's easy on my hands. It doesn't hurt my hands, no more trying to squeeze juice by hand. The second reason why I like this juicer has to be the reason why I purchased it in the first place. It's because you do not have to juice the rind. I tried juicing a whole batch of lemons in an electric juicer where you just put the whole thing through and it juices the rind, the peeling and all. It works if you just have maybe one lemon. I've done that many times, a store-bought lemon. The lemons that I'm using are from our neighbors and our cousin's tree, so the rinds are a little thicker and I've got a lot of them, so that's a lot of rinds. All of those rinds juiced in a regular juicer taste really bitter and not good at all. I had to throw the whole batch away. So reason number 2 why I love my new purchase is because I do not have to juice the rinds. Reason number 3 why I like the Cuisinart Citrus Squeeze Juicer is because it's easy to use. You take your lemon, roll it to soften it up, and slice it horizontally. I have plugged the juicer in, and it's ready to go. I'll take off the top and switch this to open so the juice can flow through the bottom. I'm putting the open side of the lemon right onto this and pressing down. Look how easy that was. Easy on my hands, easy to do. When you're done, just switch this to closed so it won't flow through anymore. Oh, I forgot an important step. To clean out the residue and the pulp that's in there, it squeezes it a little bit more by putting the top on it. Now we're ready to close it. I should also mention that each time you press down on it, it rotates in the opposite direction. There you have your fresh lemon, grapefruit, orange, or lime juice. The fourth reason why I like this juicer is because it has different settings. You can rotate this for low pulp, medium pulp, and high pulp in your juice. It's also easy to clean. And the removable parts can go into the dishwasher. the final reason why I like the Cuisinart citrus squeeze juicer has to be because of this cute carafe. It's a small size, easy to put on your countertop, and very easy to pour and handle, or there's a lid and you can put it in the refrigerator to store for a little while. These are the reasons why I'm happy with my new electric citrus juicing purchase.